Hi everyone. Today I want to share with you one of my very favorite art practices, which is drawing or painting outdoors. This practice really helps to ground me and feel a deep connection with nature. Today, because I don't have a lot of time, and whenever I am working with trees, I need at least a minimum of 2 hours of drawing time. And I don't have that much time today, so I'm going to zero in on something small and just do a quick little sketch, and then I will feel more connected. I will have done a little bit of art, and I'll get back on my bike and get some more exercise. So I'll show you what I'm going to be doing. So you might have noticed that I started one where I had started at the very end of the branch, and then I decided that really wasn't a very good approach. So I went back and started another one starting further down the branch, never even really got the entire branch in. And then I've gone back in and worked it just a little bit more to show you some of the details where one leaf goes on top of the other, and work the branch a bit. So that's it for today, just a quick sketch out in nature. I hope you give it a try yourself. I think you'll really love it.